Hello everyone, welcome to Pretty Simple Living. Today I came up with kids' most favorite chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are crispy outside, soft and chewy inside. You can see. So let's jump into the recipe. We need all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, egg, chocolate chips, baking soda, corn flour, light brown sugar, regular granulated sugar. In a mixing bowl, take unsalted butter. It should be in the room temperature. Here I am adding granulated sugar, half cup, and packed light brown sugar, half cup. I am mixing them with the electric mixer. If you don't have one, you can use spatula. Tip 1 is always use room temperature butter and egg for baking. Once it is mixed properly, add one large egg. Here I am mixing it. Mix them properly. Once it is done, you can add flour. Here I am adding all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cup, corn flour 1 tablespoon, and baking soda half teaspoon. So tip number 2 is this corn flour is a secret recipe ingredient, so it will make your cookies crispy outside, soft and chewy inside. Mix them properly. Here I am using spatula to mix them. Here I am adding 1 cup of chocolate chips. These are semi-sweet chocolate chips. Here I am blending it properly. Once it is done, cover with plastic wrap and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, preheat the oven for 325 Fahrenheit. Here I am preheating it at 325. So I took the batter out from the refrigerator. Here I am making the balls. Take 1 scoop or spoon for the same size. I am making balls out of this dough so that the cookies will be in perfect round shape. Tip number 3 is always roll the dough into ball shape so that the cookies will be always in perfect round shape. So here I have lined the baking tray with the parchment paper. Here I am arranging all the rolled dough. I am keeping it in the oven setting the temperature for 20 minutes. It takes around 18 to 20 minutes to bake. This is a perfect snack for kids. You can serve them with a glass of milk. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.